In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a bank account and automatic feed in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking for a refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll have your account connected and ready to streamline your financial processes. Let's get started by navigating to the top bar of your Xero dashboard, where you'll find an option labeled Accounting. This area serves as your main hub for all things finance related within the software. Give it a click, and a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Bank Accounts, which is where the magic happens. This section is dedicated to managing your current bank connections and setting up new ones. If you've previously connected your bank accounts to Xero, they'll be displayed here for you to manage. However, if this is your first time or you simply need to add another account, you'll want to select the Add Bank Account option. It's straightforward and easy to find. Once you do, you'll be prompted to search for your bank from Xero's extensive database. As you begin typing the name of your bank, you'll notice a list of options begins to populate. Xero aims to support as many banks as possible. However, not every bank may be available for a direct connection. Keep this in mind as you search. If your bank appears in the list, you can proceed with the connection. If it doesn't, you may need to look into alternative ways to manage your bank feeds or check periodically for updates. After selecting your bank, you'll need to follow the specific instructions provided for that institution. This is an important step because each bank may have unique requirements or steps to complete the connection process. These instructions ensure that the link between your bank and Xero is established securely and correctly. It might involve logging into your online banking through Xero or providing certain authentication details to verify your identity and prevent any unauthorized access. Take your time with this step, ensuring you follow the prompts as directed. And that's all there is to it. Once connected, your bank transactions will automatically feed into Xero, keeping your financial records up to date without the hassle of manual entry. This feature simplifies your workflow, allowing you to reconcile accounts efficiently and stay on top of your business finances with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Xero tips and tutorials to help you get the most out of your financial software. Until next time, happy accounting!